We were going to see a waterfall that was purportedly the Cascade, right, that occurs in Hodges' work. There's always that thing when people go there, they want to see exactly what's in the paintings. It's like a kind of jigsaw puzzle. But that's, you know, it's a human preoccupation to be accurate, find the accuracies in it. But the original paintings defeat that a bit because they're not accurate. It's not what they're about. Something soothing to human beings about a fall of water falling through the air, down over a wet rock face into a pool, and it creates a lovely energy in the pool, this water falling into it.